Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and fine. Today I will teach you English activity of circle the beginning letter of the picture. Okay? First we will look at the picture, then circle the beginning letter. Okay, clear? Are you ready? Yes. What is this picture? It's a ball. What are these letters? A, B and D. What is the beginning letter of the ball? It's B. So circle the letter B. What is this picture? It's a grapes. What are these letters? G, M and C. What is the beginning letter of the grapes? It's G. So we will circle the letter G. What is this picture? It's a ice cream. What are these letters? E, L and I. What is the beginning letter of the ice cream? It's I. So we will circle the letter I. Now go to the next picture. What is this picture? It's a mug. What are these letters? F, M and O. What is the beginning letter of the mug? It's M. So we will circle the letter M. What is this picture? It's an onion. What are these letters? O, J and R. What is the beginning letter of the onion? It's O. Circle the letter O. What is this picture? It is a question mark. What are these letters? S, H and Q. What is the beginning letter of the question mark? Do you know? Yes, Q. So we will circle the letter Q. What is this picture? It's a tap. What are these letters? E, T and D. What is the beginning letter of the tap? It's T. So we will circle the letter T. What is this picture? It's a violin. What are these letters? V, I and L. What is the beginning letter of the violin? It's V. So we will circle the letter V. Now go to the next picture. What is this picture? It's X-ray. What are these letters? N, Y and X. What is the beginning letter of the X-ray? It's X. So we will circle the letter X. Now go to the next picture. What is this picture? It's a zebra. What are these letters? W, V, Z. What is the beginning letter of the zebra? It's Z. So we will circle the letter Z. Okay children, do practice very well. See you tomorrow. Bye.